MTRin channel. Channel O. F for azure kingfisher, a flash of blue. B for black-capped chickadee, with a cheerful tune. C for common redpoll, in winter's cold. D for duca finch, where stories are told. E for Eurasian magpie, with feathers of black. F for flammulated owl, hunting in the pack. G for gray partridge, in fields it roams. H for honey creeper, where nectar becomes home. I for Indian nightjar, in the night's embrace. J for Javanese cuckoo, in tropical space. K for Krider's hawk, soaring with pride. L for lesser yellowlegs, where marshes reside. M for missile thrush, in the misty morn. N for northern harrier, where grasses are worn. O for oriental platinco, on the wing it flies. Z for Pine Siskin, under winter skies. Q for Quetzalcoatl, in the jungle's deep. R for regent bowerbird, where treasures they keep. S for shrike, with a sharp eye glare. T for tawny pipit, in the open air. U for Upland Warbler, where hillsides bloom. V for violet tufted, honey creeper, in tropical gloom. W for white-fronted bee-eater, in the African heat. X for Xanthus is swift, with wings fleet. We for yellow-tufted woodpecker, tapping away. C for Zorro Dove, where shadows play. From A to Z, in the bird's array. Nature's wonders, in grand display. Nature's wonders in grand